The human body is fascinating. It's interesting how much we humans are capable of doing, and most people, they have no idea. I've been doing telekinesis for almost 15 years now, and every day, every single day, I'll learn something new. Something new about telekinesis, but also something new about myself. And today I want to talk about the secret ingredient when it comes to telekinesis, or in fact, many things in life. This secret ingredient is confidence. I'm sure you guys have seen my video about the 5 steps of telekinesis. Those 5 steps are being kind to others, being grateful, doing your homework, being healthy, and those things. And this is very important when it comes to telekinesis. But what I didn't talk about is your confidence. You can do all these things. You can be nice to others, being grateful, and so on. You can do that breathing technique, right? If you don't know what I'm talking about, the breathing technique. Inhale 100%, exhale 50%. And you can do that right too. You can have a special bond to your object, like having the right emotions involved. You can do all of these things, right? But if you're not confident enough, you will not be able to do telekinesis, and neither hydrokinesis or pyrokinesis, because it all comes down to confidence. You have to believe in this matter 100%. You have to believe in your personal skills 100%. Otherwise, it's not going to work. And this is what this lesson is about. I want you to truly believe in your strengths and be aware of your weaknesses. It doesn't matter what it is. When it comes to your life, when you're like very good at certain things, you have to be aware of that and strengthen your strengths. And when you have weaknesses, we all have weaknesses, be aware of those and maybe work on those too. But confidence comes down to being aware of your strengths and weaknesses. It's not about being the best at everything. Nobody is. I just want you to be confident and aware of your strengths and weaknesses. Okay? Even when it comes to telekinesis, some people are better with hydrokinesis, some people are better with pyrokinesis, and so on. It really doesn't matter. You just have to figure out what works for you. Okay? And the reason why I talk about it today is I really feel how strong my telekinetic powers are today, because I've had a very good week. I've had a very good week at work. I got a raise and I did a very good job. I'm very proud of myself. I feel very confident and strong. This is why I can do telekinesis to even objects I don't have a special bond to. Like those slides, for example, those slippers, of course I wear them a lot, but we don't have like a special bond. But when I decide, hey, I want to push them away with push telekinesis, I'm sure I can just push like just now. See, there you go. It's not that complicated. Or I don't know. Let's say these pillows. I could push these pillows away. Let me just show you. And that's the lesson of today. I want you to believe in yourself, believe in your skills, believe in your powers, because we all have telekinetic powers in us and we just have to release them. We just have to train those skills, and one day if not already, you will be able to do telekinesis just like that on your own, okay? I hope you learned something, and if you have any questions, please let me know in the comments below. I'm here to help you, and see you in the next video.